Today, I'm totally excited. I just got my brand new OONI KARU 12 outdoor wood-fired multi-fuel pizza oven. This summer, I was at my uncle's house, and he had an outdoor wood-fired pizza oven. And it was a lot of fun because everyone could make their own pizzas. So I just got mine, so we're going to go ahead and take it out of the box. If we can figure out how and get it assembled to see if people run any hiccups when they're trying to put it together for the first time. From what I've seen, it seems pretty simple, but still. I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward taking all the pieces out so we can get to putting it together. So overall, there are, in the box, you're gonna have your oven plus 1, so we'll have 2, 3, 4, 5. This is actually 2 different pieces. The burner tray and then the burner basket. You have the cover for the back, cover for the chimney. This is the front. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, plus the pizza stone itself. So something you're gonna find in your package is this little Allen wrench. This Allen wrench, you don't need to put the oven together. That's gonna be if you get the gas accessory. So if you wanna use propane to fire the grill instead of wood or charcoal, you take this little back panel off and you can go ahead and cook up your propane connection. So should be pretty simple assembly. One of the things I was originally worried about before I looked into it is the legs. So if you're watching the video, I did have a little trouble getting the chimney out of the box, or out of the oven. So I just had to open the box inside the oven and get it out that way, because it was a little tight fit. So your legs are actually already going to be connected to your OONI. So just going to fold out. And there you go. So I only got a couple pieces. So first thing that's gonna happen is if you look inside, there's a little lip where you can see the firebox, where the firebox goes. It's gonna be in the back of the oven. So the first thing you wanna do is put your firebox in the back of your OONI. That's gonna hold your charcoal or your wood chips. You're gonna slide it in. And this is gonna go right up to the back where you can tend your fire while your stuff's cooking. The next thing you're gonna wanna put on or in is your pizza stone, so you have a nice hot cooking surface. That'll slide right into the grooves next to your hot box. So next, the chimney. The chimney is pretty easy. As you can see, there's little rivets, and inside the oven, there's just a little lip. Give it a couple turns. So you get it lined up there. Locked into place. There's your flue, making it let more airflow in, make it hotter and cooler. Then this little cap is for your chimney, if you really want to stop all the airflow. This goes on the back of where you're putting your fuel in. And this is your front, so you want to cover it up. So all together, once you get it unpackaged, your OONI should only take you 3 or 4 minutes to set up. You're going to want to do an initial burn off. So that being said, you can get this thing ready to go to cook pizzas. I'd say the burn off's going to take you maybe a half an hour. You can get this whole thing ready to go in about an hour and get your pizzas going. So if you're looking to have some guests over, you have everything else set up, you're good to go. All right, hope you enjoyed.